Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Upgraded Plunger Cameraman from Skibidi Toilet. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the head at the top. Let's start with a curve across. Then from the ends, let's bring it down. Then curve it up and in. And one more curve to close it off. Next, underneath the curve here, let's draw a line across. Then let's hop down and let's draw a sideways rectangle. Now for the sides, let's bring it down. And then close off the bottom following the same shape as the rectangle. Now under the head in the center, let's draw a circle. And then another one inside. Now on either side, let's draw a line down for the neck. And that's it for the head. Now let's move underneath and draw the body. From the sides of the neck, let's bring it out for the tops of the shoulders. Then let's leave a gap and let's hop down and let's draw an angled line on both sides for the armpits. Then bring it down for the sides of the jacket. Now let's hop into the middle and let's draw another set of lines down for the inside of the jacket. And connect both sides at the bottom with an angled curve. Now let's hop inside and let's add some details. At the top, let's draw an angled line on both sides. And then a longer one underneath on both sides for the collar of the jacket. Now let's move down, and on the left, let's draw 3 circles for the buttons. And then on the right side, in the same spot, let's draw 3 lines. And then from the sides, let's draw 2 curved rectangles for the pockets. And that's it for the jacket details. Now let's move inside and let's draw the shirt. In the center at the top, let's draw 2 pointed V-shapes for the collar of the shirt. Next, let's move down and let's draw a V-shape. And then angles underneath on both sides. Now in that middle space, let's add the tie. Let's start with 2 angles down from the top, a line across, and then bring it down underneath. Now let's move down and finish drawing the vest. Let's start with a line down, and then curve it out on both sides. And lastly, 2 circles inside the right for the buttons. And that's it for the inner details. Now let's move to the sides and draw the arms. From the shoulder line we drew earlier, let's angle it down and out on both sides. And then another angle underneath. And now let's close off the end of each sleeve. Now at the end, let's add another rectangle shape. And now let's add the hands holding the plungers. Start by drawing a small angle down. Then curve it out and back up like this. Now before we finish the hand, let's start drawing the handle of the plunger. Let's draw 2 angles down and out. and then follow those same angles behind the hand. And then close off the end with a curve. Now that we have the handles, now we can finish the hand. From the sleeve, let's draw an angle down and then curve it down. And the same on the right. Now let's move to the end and finish drawing the plunger. We'll start by drawing a rectangle. Then curves down on both sides. And then finish off the ends with another curved rectangle. And that's it for the arms holding the plungers. Next, let's move up behind the left shoulder and let's draw the weapon. On top of the left shoulder, let's draw a curve out and bring it down. Then 2 lines up, then a line across the top, and angle it up on both sides. And then a curve across to close it off. Then let's add one more line across inside. Next, let's hop down under the arm and let's draw a line down and bring it over. Then let's add some stripes inside. Next, underneath, let's step in and let's draw 2 lines down, a curve across the bottom, then in that section, let's draw some vertical stripes. Next, at the bottom, let's angle it down and in from both sides, and then a curve across. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move back in and draw the legs. Let's start in the center under the vest and let's draw a line down and bring it up on the right. Now underneath, let's draw 2 long curves down for the inside of the legs. Now let's hop out and let's draw another set of lines down. And then close off the bottom of each pant leg. Next, behind the legs, let's draw the back of the jacket. From the bottom sides of the jacket, let's bring it in towards the legs. Then let's hop in between with a short line on both sides. And then a V-shaped point up to close it off. Now let's hop to the bottom and let's add the feet. Let's start with a curve down from the inside. Then let's bring it over, curve it down, and out. And the same on the other side. Then add a small rectangle shape underneath. And then one more curve on top. And that's it for the upgraded Plunger Cameraman. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!